Thank you so much for supporting the Ministry of Christian Recovery Counseling. We thought you'd like to see how your support is making a difference in the lives of those who have survived abuse.
I came to Christian Recovery Counseling because I was in a severely abusive marriage, desperate to get help. If I hadn't received counseling at CRC, I may still be stuck in depression, I may still be stuck in a very abusive relationship. Maybe I wouldn't even be here because of everything that my husband threatened.
I knew that it was an abusive relationship, at least the signs, by being cut off from friends and family, the control, isolation, the threats, and just the verbal and emotional abuse.
But abuse can be linked all together in that it's like a thief. And abuse is a robber of the heart. And children will come in and they will have sexual problems, behavioral problems. At times the children come in with post-traumatic stress disorder, but deep issues of not trusting, and these are the things that we want to assess and help them to treat.
We really accept people where they're at, and we understand that healing from abuse is really a process and it's not going to be a one-time, one-moment thing. So I think people can come here with the expectation of being accepted for where they're at in their journey.
We specialize in helping with trauma, and it is so important for our families to get the help that they deserve and that they need. And the money that is donated to our agency goes into helping those clients get everything that they need to heal.
Coming to CRC has allowed me to have life again, knowing that I could move forward with a hope and future for a new life.
I think that CRC is definitely a life changer. I was able to move out of the shadows into the light, and I pray that CRC can bring that to so many other women and all their hurt can be healed, and that's what happened to me.